In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill orders on Shopify. Fulfilling an order is the moment you let Shopify and your customer know that items are on their way. It updates inventory, changes the order status, and can send tracking details if you add them. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin and that your inventory is accurate, so what you mark as shipped matches what you actually have on hand. First, go to Orders in your Shopify admin. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation. This page shows all your orders at a glance. You can use the filters or search bar to quickly locate recent purchases, open orders, or those marked as unfulfilled. If you're working through a busy day of shipping, sorting by date or fulfillment status helps you stay organized and avoid missing anything. Next, select the order you want to fulfill. Opening the order gives you a full snapshot, customer details, shipping address, payment status, items purchased, quantities, and any notes or special instructions. Take a moment to double check that the address looks correct and that the items and quantities match what you're packing. If you use multiple inventory locations, confirm where the items are stocked so the right location gets credited. This quick review prevents common errors and reduces the chance of returns or reshipments later. When you're ready, click Fulfill Items. This action opens the fulfillment panel where you can confirm what's being sent. If everything is in stock, you can fulfill the entire order. If some items aren't available, you can adjust quantities to fulfill only what you have now and send the rest later. This is helpful for back orders or split shipments. In the same panel, you'll see options for adding a tracking number and carrier details, and you can choose whether to notify the customer by email. Clear tracking and a notification create a smooth experience, since customers can follow the package without reaching out for updates. After you click Fulfill Items, Shopify marks those products as fulfilled, deducts the inventory, and updates the order timeline with the fulfillment details. You'll see the fulfillment status change on the order, and any tracking you added will appear there as well. If you notice a mistake, you can manage it from the order page, but it's always best to review carefully before finalizing. That's it. Go to Orders, select the order, and click Fulfill Items. Repeat this process for additional orders to keep your fulfillment queue moving efficiently and your customers informed.